right, we're off. What's up, dude? Let's do this, game time. How you feeling? Good. I could not sleep last night. Me too.
Dude, today I was packing this morning and I felt like I was packing everything. I did not know what not to bring. Here we are, getting ready in the car because we're nervous. How nervous are you, Hi?
Really nervous.
Damn, I'm nervous,
Pretty
dude.
nervous.
All right, babies. Race day.
It is freezing cold. It is really, really cold.
Oh my Lord, it's windy, bro.
It doesn't help. We would not. I'm nearly so bad right now. That doesn't help.
Thank you.
Into this model linen truck so you can grab it at the finish line. If your clothes do not make it into the model linen truck, you'll miss it. Bag drop is now.
Come up, and long ago somebody left with the cup, but he's driving and driving and hugging the turns and thinking of someone for whom he still burns. 'Cause he's going
Trying to get the mile.
my hesitation, like a frustration, flaring up, but it never stays. I'm feeling older, turn to the other. She cracks a smile as she touched my face.
Looking awesome, dude. Ooh, I'll take half a banana if you don't mind. Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
God, I'm so fearful, I'm tripping over. But lack of haste turns to frantic pace. My eyes so golden, if I could close them, just for a moment, just to get a taste.
It's fun when the runners take pictures of our cheering squad.
Hey!
Fearful, I'm tripping over. But lack of haste turns to frantic pace. My eyes so golden, if I could close them, just for a moment, just to get a taste. Those hearts
You too.
Well done, Broken!
My left knee.
Way to suffer. Good job, man. Really, good job.
Oh, sure. Hey, why not? That's awesome. Thank you.
Okay. Good job.
You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Hell yeah. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Is that Gatorade? I'll take some. Water, I'll take one too. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, guys. last mile. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I see it. Yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Eleanor Bain from Seattle. Evie Carroll out of Emerald Hills, California. Andrew Lincoln out of St. Carlos, California. William James from West City, Danville,
Yeah. Thank you. Woo. Oh. That was fun. All over.
Got this, bro! You got this! You got this! Woo! Woohoo! Looking good!